This video is about SparseBoxPlus, which you can use to customize or tweak your devices up to iOS 26.1. Yes, it works on iOS 26.2 beta 1, so iOS 26.2 beta 1 all the way down to iOS 17.4 is supported. SparseBox Plus is completely free and we are at its official GitHub page. SparseBox Plus is a bit easier to set up than ENS Wilde, which I made a guide already, which you can check it out. It is on channel. I will also link it in the description if you want to check ENS Wilde out. This video guide is for educational and informational purposes with the only aim to customize or tweak our devices without a jailbreak. Before you use SparseBox Plus, make sure that you create a backup of your device using iTunes so that if anything goes wrong, you can always have the option to restore all your data. And also it works on all the devices which supports these iOS versions. Also, after this initial setup, you will be able to use SparseBox Plus to tweak or customize your devices on device without a computer. First of all, on your Windows PC, from the official GitHub page, go to releases and we will get the latest available release. Now simply scroll down and you will see this IPA. Simply get it. As you can see, I already got the IPA to my PC. Next, to install it, you can use Impactor, formerly known as Plume Impactor, as you can see right here. And we are at its official GitHub page. It is also completely free. Before you use Plume Impactor, make sure that you install iTunes from the official Apple's website. As you can see right here, simply get it and install it on your Windows PC. And then from the official GitHub page for Impactor or Plume Impactor, simply head to its latest release. Then simply scroll down and under assets, simply get this file. You can simply install it, or you can also use the portable version. I use this one. Simply get it to your Windows PC and install it like any other app. And I have already installed iTunes and Impactor using this file. You will also need iDevice pair so that you can fix the DDI not mounted issue. You can simply get iDevice pair from its official GitHub page. It is also completely free from under releases. If you scroll down, you can see we have the file here for Windows for iDevice pair, iDevice_pair. All right. As you can see, I already got it. Now at this point, simply connect your iOS device and also make sure that you have set a passcode on your device or this process will not work. Once you have set a passcode, let's move ahead. Now simply fire up Impactor. As you can see, my device is connected via USB. First of all, go to Utilities and then hit Trust Device. On your device, hit Trust. Simply type in your passcode and you will see device paired successfully. Now go back, then hit this settings icon and from there simply sign in with your own Apple ID. As you can see, we have the add account button. Simply sign in, then go back, then hit on import IPA or .tipa. Now select the IPA for SparseBox Plus we just got, hit on open and then hit install and wait for the process to finish. Alright, as you can see, 100% finished. Now simply go back, then go to Utilities again. Now here, if you don't see SparseBox, simply hit refresh installed apps and you will see it here and then hit install pairing. And you will see that the pairing file will be added to SparseBox Plus. Now we can close out of Impactor and follow the rest of the process on device. Right, now we are on device. I am using an iPhone SE2 which is currently running iOS 26.1, which is supported. And as you can see, SparseBox Plus is already on device as we have installed it using the computer. And we also need this app. You can easily get it from the official app store. It is completely free. Search for it and install it. Before you can open SparseBox Plus, head to settings, go to general, Scroll all the way down to device management and trust the app from here against your Apple ID. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected before you do so. Once you have trusted it, go back, scroll to privacy and security, scroll all the way down and you will see developer mode here. You will only see it once you have installed the app. Alright, it will be off. Simply open it and turn it on, restart your device and simply follow the instructions. You will see this screen. Simply hit home, enable, simply type in your passcode and simply get in. Once you are in, now first of all open this app, skip, connect, allow, and you'll see that it is now connected. We are using this so that we can make the device connect to itself so that we can use SparseBoxPlus without a computer. The only purpose of this app. Once it is on and connected, simply now open SparseBoxPlus. You will see the pairing file error is gone as we already added a pairing file into SparseBoxPlus using the computer first. Now the issue is waiting for heartbeat and the DDI or developer disk image is not mounted. Here we will again require a computer. So let's head to the computer and complete the process. I have seen that sometimes after reopening the SparseBoxPlus, you will see the please import a pairing file message on it. What you can do it, you can again open Impactor. After you have connected your device, go to utilities, then install the pairing file again and then reopen SparseBoxPlus and the issue will be fixed. Now to fix the DDI image not mounted issue, keep your device connected via USB and open iDevice pair, allow, and you will see wireless debugging is enabled, developer mode is on, and the developer disk image is now mounted. Now simply quit SparseBoxPlus from the app switcher and reopen it, and you will see that the issue for the DDI not mounted will be fixed. Now you can move to the device to simply enjoy your customizations or tweaks. Now as you can see, SparseBoxPlus is ready to tweak or customize your device. DDI is mounted and it says ready, and you can see it looks like this. Now if you head to tweaks, you can see we have a lot of options to customize or tweak our device. You can enable always on display, enable charge limit, and enable dynamic island, and so on. There are a lot of options. Also, if you want iPhone 10 gestures on your iPhone SE devices, you can simply hit subtype and from there select iPhone 10 gestures. Yes, I have seen the RDAR issue or the red bar issue was still there, but I guess it will be fixed in later releases. If or when it is fixed, I will write as a note in the description so that you can see if it is fixed. Once you have selected your customizations or tweaks, go to apply, scroll and then hit apply tweaks. Now when you hit continue, the books app will automatically open. From there, simply select a book. They are completely free. Tap on it and then hit download. Alright, it will automatically move back to the SparseBoxPlus app and you will see this message. Don't worry, your device will automatically respring and you are here with your tweaks enabled. First of all, you can see the always on display is working, it is on, and the iPhone X or iPhone 10 gestures are also working. Yes, we can see the red bar, but this red bar was fixed in ENS Wild Day, so you can use ENS Wild Day instead. Now if you go to settings, then go to display and brightness, you can see always on display is indeed on, and as we enable charge limits, I will go to battery, but that tweak or customization is not working as you can see right here. But I hope these issues will be fixed in later releases. Gestures are working fine, as you can see, no issues. Now if you want to revert back to stock and to revert all your customizations and tweaks, you can open SparseBoxPlus again If you see waiting for heartbeat, don't worry. Now open this app, hit on connect. Simply open the app switcher, close SparseBox Plus and reopen it. And you can see it is now ready. Now scroll and you will see the revert option. Simply hit on revert and wait for the process to finish. This will automatically open the books app and then your device will respring. And you can see my device is now back to stock and always on display is now gone, and also the iPhone 10 gestures are also reverted. Again, if you see display and brightness, you can see the always on display is now gone. While we are at it, if you want to enable Apple Intelligence, it is easy. You will simply hit this option. Now select iPhone 15 Pro Max, all right, and then you can hit enable Apple Intelligence. Go back home and from there you can hit apply tweaks. I don't want to enable Apple Intelligence, so I have shown you this as an example. If you want to enable Apple Intelligence using Misaka 26, that guide is in the description for you. That method is easier. Under file system, you can list installed apps, you can browse the file system, all right, only the var mobile media and so on. You can also view the mobile installed data. Before we end the video, a little troubleshooting. Now if you select tweaks and select any tweak or customization, hit apply and then hit apply tweaks, of course the books app will open. But sometimes what happens is if you select a book, download or get, it will complete the download and you will see read here instead, and it will not bounce back to the SparseBoxPlus app. What you can do is you can simply close out of SparseBoxPlus and the books app and simply retry it, and then eventually after 2 to 3 tries it will work for you. As you can see, I have selected always on display and it is working fine. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.